Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to stop the snipping tool from automatically taking screenshots in Windows 11. This is especially useful if the print screen key keeps opening the snipping tool and you want to disable that behavior. Let's jump right in. First, right-click on the Start button and open Settings. Inside Settings, click on Accessibility from the left menu. Now scroll down until you find the Interactions section, then click on Keyboard. Scroll down again until you see the section called On-Screen Keyboard, Access Keys, and Print Screen. Here, you'll find an option that says Use the print screen key to open screen capture. Simply turn this option off. Once disabled, pressing the print screen key will no longer launch the snipping tool automatically. And that's it. That's how you disable the snipping tool from opening with the print screen key in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.